How I paid off my $168K student loan with online poker. Few people grasp the true nature of online poker. At its core, online poker is not a card game. It is a game of psychology. Online poker is a game of reading, analyzing and posturing, a game of manipulation, a game of interpersonal relationships, and a game of supreme, raw competition. Of course, everyone has experience at life, but not everyone has experience at poker. Take your calculated risks to the next level with our ebook that contains a step-by-step tutorial on how to master the art of online poker within the first month of your career. 3 proven secrets that cannot be found in any poker book on the market, delivered to you on a silver platter. Once mastered, these 3 skill sets will give you the power to eliminate your competitors and overcome any financial tribulation. You have the opportunity to do exactly what online poker champ CEO did: make 6 figures in online poker. How I paid off my $168K student loan with online poker is available at Amazon. Read more and grab your copy today.